You've heard of Native Americans, you've heard of African Americans, but what if I told you there's a part of history where these two worlds came together, and it's still alive today? This is the story of Black Native history, and the top 5 places in America where you can still feel it, see it, and stand where history was made. Stay to the end. Number 2 might completely change how you see U.S. history. Fort Mose, Florida, the first free black settlement. Our first stop takes us to Florida, to a place called Fort Mose. Back in the 1700s, Spain offered freedom to enslaved Africans who escaped the British colonies, if they converted to Catholicism and helped defend Spanish Florida. They built a free black community right here, the first legally sanctioned free black town in what is now the United States. Black Seminoles, the descendants of these Africans, still honor this history today. 2. Seminole Nation and Freedmen Legacy, Oklahoma. Next, we head to Oklahoma, home of the Seminole Nation. Many Black Seminoles, after fighting in wars against the U.S. government, were forced west on the Trail of Tears along with their native allies. They rebuilt communities here, and today, descendants of Black Seminoles still live and fight for recognition as part of the tribe. Visiting here reminds you this is a living history, not just something in textbooks. 3. Cherokee Freedmen History, Tahlequah, Oklahoma. Still in Oklahoma, we find the Cherokee Freedmen story. After the Civil War, the Cherokee Nation signed a treaty that granted citizenship to black people who were enslaved by the Cherokee. Their descendants, known as the Cherokee Freedmen, still live in Tahlequah. Visiting the Cherokee Heritage Center, you will see how African and Cherokee history are forever connected, a story many Americans have never heard. 4. Gullah Geechee Corridor, South Carolina and Georgia. Now we head to the southeastern coast, the Gullah Geechee Corridor. These islands and coastal areas are home to a unique culture born from West African traditions, blended with Native American and European influences. From their language to their food and music, Gullah Geechee culture has survived centuries of oppression and remains one of the purest African cultural legacies in America. Louisiana Creole and Maroon History, Louisiana. And finally, we end in Louisiana, where runaway slaves, Maroons, formed hidden communities deep in the swamps. They traded, farmed, and defended themselves, often with the help of friendly native tribes. Today, Louisiana Creole culture keeps alive that African-native fusion in music, food, and festivals. Visiting here, you feel like you've stepped into another timeline, one that America tried to erase. From surviving the horrors of slavery to building thriving communities against all odds, the story of Black natives is a testament to resilience and adaptation. And while there are countless other stories and places that could have made it on this list, these 5 are just a start. So if you find yourself near any of these places, take some time to explore, learn, and pay your respects to the rich history that's waiting to be discovered. Each site offers a unique window into the past and a chance to connect with the legacy of those who came before us. Who knows? You might just find that history has a lot more in common with you than you think. And remember, history isn't just something that happened in the distant past. It's a living, breathing thing that's shaped the world we live in today. By learning about the past, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep sharing what you discover with others. You never know whose life you might impact. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time. Until next time, stay curious, stay open-minded, and stay engaged with the world around you. The more we understand our history, the better equipped we are to build a better future.